Tokyo, the bustling capital of Japan, is a city where ancient traditions harmonize with futuristic innovations. Embark on an exhilarating journey as we uncover the top 10 things to do in this vibrant metropolis. 1. Visit the Sensoji Temple. Immerse yourself in Tokyo's rich cultural heritage by exploring the iconic Sensoji Temple in Asakusa. Admire the magnificent gate, Nakami's shopping street, and experience the tranquil beauty of this ancient Buddhist temple. 2. Explore the bustling Shibuya Crossing. Witness the mesmerizing chaos of Shibuya Crossing, one of the busiest intersections in the world. Navigate through the sea of people, shop at trendy boutiques, and capture the perfect Instagram-worthy shot. 3. Marvel at Tokyo Skytree. Head to Tokyo Skytree, the tallest tower in Japan, for breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Ascend to the observation deck and be mesmerized by the sprawling metropolis stretching as far as the eye can see. 4. Wander through the gardens of the Imperial Palace. Escape the urban buzz and find serenity at the Imperial Palace Gardens. Stroll through picturesque gardens, admire ancient architecture, and learn about Japan's imperial history. 5. Experience traditional tea ceremony. Partake in a traditional Japanese tea ceremony to delve into the ancient art of tea preparation and etiquette. Savor the tranquil ambiance, sip matcha tea, and gain insight into Japanese culture. 6. Discover the wonders of Ueno Park. Ueno Park offers a delightful blend of nature, history, and culture. Explore the renowned Ueno Zoo, marvel at the impressive Tokyo National Museum, and enjoy the vibrant cherry blossom display during spring. 7. Indulge in Tsukiji Fish Market. Satisfy your culinary cravings at Tsukiji Fish Market, the largest wholesale fish market in the world. Feast on fresh sushi, sample delectable seafood, and witness the lively auction of prized catches. 8. Step into the future at Odaiba. Cross the Rainbow Bridge to Odaiba, a futuristic entertainment district in Tokyo Bay. Visit the Team Lab Borderless Digital Art Museum, ride the futuristic Ferris wheel, and enjoy shopping and dining experiences. 9. Discover traditional Japan in Yanaka. Escape to the nostalgic streets of Yanaka, a neighborhood that exudes old-world charm. Wander through narrow lanes lined with traditional wooden houses, visit quaint temples, and savor local street food. 10. Dive into anime culture in Akihabara. Enter the colorful and vibrant world of Akihabara, Tokyo's anime and gaming paradise. Explore countless electronic stores, indulge in manga and anime merchandise, and immerse yourself in the energetic otaku culture. Tokyo, a city of boundless energy and captivating contrasts, offers an array of unforgettable experiences. From ancient temples to bustling streets, traditional tea ceremonies to futuristic attractions, this dynamic metropolis has something for everyone. Immerse yourself in the charm of Tokyo and create memories that will last a lifetime.